first day that the bunnies have popped out into this part of the pen. Hopefully,
Mama, Juniper is trying to get out.
so cute. Oh. Oh my god. Did you see that one?
Yeah, I'm watching him. Mama, I can't get one. Mama, but one of them really likes it. Mom, take a picture.
Alright, Rivka.
Take a picture.
Rivka has a bunny pocket right now. Snuggled in there.
I think this one wanted to be out for a little bit.
Aww. Hey guys, so we got an order that we had ordered last winter from Pine Tree Garden Seeds, and we ordered some high bush blueberries and some raspberries. So I just wanted to show you how those came and what that looked like when they came in the mail. So here's the box, and I've got one of the raspberries out already. These are double gold, so they're, I guess, the canes with some roots that they've wrapped up. I'm gonna unwrap these and put them in this bucket of water for, I think, a day. And then over here we have 2 high bush blueberry plants. Actually, no, 4. And then I have 2 of the raspberries. Alright. So there's the raspberries in the bucket in some water, and here are the high bush blueberry plants. These are Patriot. For the bunny brooder, it's Dahlia with her 4 babies. They're 3 weeks old tomorrow.
Hi, my name's Dahlia.
Remember what I said? Hold them close to your body so they're not afraid. Thank you.
Oh yeah, Snowflake.
So this is Snowflake. I think he's the boy, although I feel like I'm not great at telling which are the boys.
I think I'm a big boy.
This is hold them close to your body, like we said. Which is this one?
I think Willow.
Willow.
No, not Willow. This one's Juniper. This one's Juniper. This one's Juniper. No, this one. My head.
Okay, well, Juniper and Willow. And the little black one.
And
oh, there. She, I think the black is a girl. I think it's 3 girls and the white one is the boy. So, hi, Dahlia. So they've got a really nice big pen in here, and they hop in and out of the little door. And at night we've been closing that little door because this outside pen isn't quite secure enough. But I think we are going to secure it so they can come in and out. And then back here we ended up taking off this chicken thing here that was on the back right here, and then adding this nice, well, it's not that nice, but it's very functional, this door that swings open so we can get access to the back of this and clean it out and access the nesting box. Gentle. Oh, she's letting her there.
Time to miss them.
So this is working out
Are you hungry?
quite well so far.
Juniper.